you guys? Welcome back to another video. I started this video earlier, but I actually wasn't able to finish it due to the fact that for some reason my GoPro battery keep dying, and as soon as my GoPro battery dies, it doesn't even die, I'm sorry, my GoPro was registering that it was dead and it wasn't, so I changed the battery and everything, and hopefully now we should be good. What I was saying is that I know it's been a minute and I haven't posted a video, but a lot of it really has been because of the fact that everything's been going wrong in terms of like how to make a video for you guys. I needed pieces for my GoPro. My GoPro had messed up. I needed to get a media mod, and then on top of the media mod, my MacBook broke, and as soon as my MacBook broke, I haven't been able to edit any videos. What else? It's been a constant circle. Is it circle? It is. It's been a constant circle of issues. So I still actually can't even edit right now. My MacBook is still shot. Tried plugging it in. Just didn't want to work, man. It just didn't want to work. I don't know why, and it's not charging it or anything, so I think my MacBook needs a new battery and stuff. So I haven't really been able to do anything, and then on top of that, guys, the weather has been absolutely despicable. I haven't been able to even record. Like, it's crazy though too, because I still been riding, but even in the cold, but it's because I'm trying to get these miles up because they pick up the bike on Friday. As you can see, we're at 577 now, which is quite a few. So just trying to get it to 600 so I could just stop driving this damn bike, let them pick it up, and then what's it called, they pick it up Friday, they drop it off next Friday, and then the bike will be fully unlocked and it'll have a 600-mile service. So it's going to get the oil change, it's going to get the rev limiter removed, it's going to get the chain adjusted, they check the clutch, they go through everything for the 600-mile service, and yeah, so then the bike will pretty much be good. And then until I get a tune, obviously I still have to get a tune to kind of fix this dead spot right here, right in the middle RPM. I have been trying to make what I love and hate about this bike. As you guys can see, I'm just now getting my GoPro and everything to work to be able to do this. Kind of testing my Motovlog setup and trying to get everything situated. So now that we are, I will be making that video. It's going to be partial on the bike and it's going to be partial, you know, at home or wherever, to so that not everything is actually a motovlog. I know some of you guys want to actually just have me stationary talking about the bike and stuff, so it'll be a little bit of both. It'll be the best of both worlds. I will start posting frequently again. I just got to get my MacBook fixed. As soon as my MacBook is fixed, I'll go back to schedule timing. It's been like a month since I posted anything, which is absolutely disgraceful. But yeah, guys, I've been absolutely loving this bike. On top of that, like, everything has been amazing. The way it rides. I mean, obviously it sucks because I haven't been able to use the full bike, but it's still been pretty awesome for the most part. I still got the GoPro 360 Max, whatever. I haven't really, I recorded a little bit, but I gotta see what it looks like edited because of the angle and everything. A little stunted out Honda. But other than that, guys, everything's been good. The bike's been good. I haven't really had any issues or anything, thank God. I don't have any wood, but knock on wood. And this bike really is amazing. Like, I really do recommend this bike for a lot of people. The only people I really don't recommend this bike for is people that are new, because even though this bike, it does have an enormous amount of electronics, it's still a 1000, guys, and the chances to not be able to handle the power whatever is so high that I still don't recommend it. Just look at that. Look at that. Oh my god. So the bike is just, it's so nimble and it sounds so good. I kind of need your guys' help, man. I kind of want to know what type of S1000 content you guys want, because like I know a lot of people have been posting like, yes, more S1000 content. Like, what, I need to know what other kind of content y'all want. What do y'all want me to talk about? What do you want me to do? That's been another issue, is I kind of been stuck between, do I want to do it for motovlogging? Do you want to literally watch me ride and me talk about everything, or do you want me to, you know, stop and just be in front of the camera talking about it? Like, kind of want to know what type of content you guys want so I could, you know, provide that. I don't know, man. It's I don't really want to ride on the street that much. That's another factor. Like, I really am just waiting to get this bike to the track and do like actual videos so that you guys can see what of an actual track demon. This bike look good. Am I still recording? I hope so. Nah, it is. Yeah, like, this bike is gonna be amazing on the track. Like, I really actually can't wait. And the street sucks. Riding on the street sucks. I'm not being a hooligan, I promise. What's traffic? Like, this, the nimbleness of this bike, guys, is, that's tight. Woo! Almost. Excuse me, can somebody like let me through? Ooh. Psych. Big S1000, boys. Oh, she got the boogies, Nikki. By the way, guys, my plate just came in today. Like, I've had this bike for probably like a month and a half, and I've been riding without a plate because the first day I rode this bike, I hit $120 and the plate was gone when I got to the gas station. So I just got my plate in the mail. It's kind of chilly. It's kind of chilly, guys. I don't even know if I want to ride to the gym for real. Is that a man or a woman? Never know nowadays. Dale! Pa' carajo, brother. Second gear demon. Fabo the building? Nah, shit. You're not bumping my son shit. What you really bumping? I don't want to go to the gym, bro. I hate leg day. Shit is weird. This is probably the worst beginner's vlog. I'm sorry, guys. I'm a disgrace. I apologize. I'm working on it. I'll learn with time. Alright, y'all. That's probably gonna be it for this video. The next video is gonna be kind of like what I like and what I dislike about the bike. But yeah, I appreciate y'all watching. I'll see you on the next one.